Hey champions, how are y'all?
Hey champions, how are you all? What video we are going to do today, darling?
Today we are going to see the least important specification that you should consider while buying a phone. And we are going to discuss about 9 specifications which are very least important in a phone. And don't buy or reject a phone for these specifications.
Oh, okay, darling. Let's start the video.
We always give importance to our customers. That's why we are releasing our phone, which has been launched just about 6 months back in a new color today, that too in mango green. No, that's not true. We have launched our phone 6 months back in gooseberry green, and today we are launching it in mango green. And most people would like mango green. That's why. No, we are not saying like that. Everyone should buy gooseberry green also. It is another good phone announcement, right?
Oh, how cute it is.
What is not cute?
Have you not seen that color? It is very cute. Huh?
Okay, darling, I have a good important question to you. After buying a phone, will you use it with a case or without a case?
I use it occasionally, darling.
And how does a color become important to you?
That's right question. But many reviewers are giving importance to color now.
Even I've seen many videos where YouTubers unbox every possible colors in a phone, which looks... Why? Why are you doing like this? Why it is important? Just we need to know how the phone performs, is not how the phone looks.
Yes, right, darling.
Now we have a customization option. You can even give a gold coating to your phone. Then why it is important that many companies are launching phones with this much color? I have seen some of my friends, even during the deal time, even they get the best phone deals, they wouldn't just buy that phone because their favorite color is not available.
Huh? It's not good, darling. You can decide what phone to buy. You shouldn't reject a phone because a color is not available. Huh?
Yes, darling. So while you are next buying a phone, just look at the other features and look at the color only at the last, because it is not the color of a person or a mobile decides how they are. We are very happy to announce of a new phone with dual display on both sides of the phone, with no cameras and no notch. All your cameras go under the display. No, you need a back display. That's what we are saying. Whatever we say, that is what you should use. So what we are saying, dual display is nice? Yes. Then you should use it. Who cares about camera? You need a full display, and we are giving on both sides. Camera is just an ad. You're having the camera underneath the display, and it's good now. Don't compare it with the previous model, okay? You shouldn't compare it to the previous model. We're giving a full display. That is important. Don't compare it with the previous thing, okay?
Oh my god. There's no notch, huh? Great technology, right?
I cannot say it's a great technology, because a phone can have a small notch at the top. That's not a great deal. I don't find it surprising. Instead of giving your cameras behind the display, you can have a very small notch at the top and give a camera there. Right now, darling?
You're right, darling. But a phone with a whole display is needed, right?
I really doubt that, darling. While you're seeing a video, it doesn't make sense to me that why you shouldn't have any notch. That's a big question. Sometimes it might look good, but I don't feel that it is the first importance should be given to the selfie cameras. If it's very good, then only next you should think about whether notch is needed or not. I would prefer two cameras in the front, normal and ultraviolet camera at the front, because most of us nowadays are using selfies rather than the back primary cameras.
Yes, darling, that's true.
All the brands can give a huge non-touchable screen at the back near the cameras, at least half of the phone of the size, so that we can use that screen while recording a video or taking a photo. So there will be no problem.
It's a good idea, darling. Notch is not that important while buying a phone, right?
Yes, it is the least important specification while buying a phone.
Yes, darling, you're right.
Many companies are nowadays removing headphone jacks, but we are proud to say that we still have headphone jacks in our phone. No, we are having a decent processor. No, we are having a decent camera, but that is not important. What is important is that our rights. Every phone should include headphone jacks, but they are not including headphone jacks. We are including headphone jacks. That is the first important thing. Okay? You should buy your phone for headphone jack. Okay? Huh?
Oh no, I'm very sad that nowadays there's no headphone jack in any phones.
Darling, you have to accept the fact that as the technology grows, many things should have to go out. One such thing is the headphone jack. Now, wireless headphones has become a talk of the town. Now, many brands are concentrating on only their wireless headphones rather than the wired ones.
Yes, darling, that is true, and it's very sad now.
Frankly speaking, it's not sad because nowadays many wireless headphones comes with even 2 days of battery backups to 3 days of battery backups, and we are not going to practically use a headphone more than 1 year. So I feel it's good that it's like getting a freedom from a wired one. Wireless is a freedom from a wired.
Yes, darling, that is true. Technology is growing, and you have to sacrifice headphone jack for that, right?
Yes, the headphone jack is one of our sacrifice to a good and smarter future innovations.
Yes, darling. Yes, it's true.